Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, scroll to the sounds and vibration, and now just by swipe this ringtone volume panel to the left or to the right side with your finger, you can change the ringtone volume on our XIAOMI phone. And also we can do this by using our volume buttons here on the right side of the device by press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. You click then here to the three dots and swipe up or down this volume panel by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.